Oh God! Oh gosh! I felt like, you know, when you put the teeth at the door, instead the tooth was my head. I don't want to be slammed shut. That's what it felt like just then.
We've got Jamil here today, so Jamil, basically tell us a little bit about, like, you know, what you're doing for work and also like with training and that sort of stuff as well.
Yeah, so I work about 6 days a week as labourer, doing drainage and piping. And when I'm not working during the day, during nights, I'm usually about 5 days a week either training jiu-jitsu or wrestling. So it's a full boat.
Yeah.
It's a full boat what I do, and you know, for you to come down here, it's like, haven't done this before. So I've been training about 8 years now.
Yeah.
8 years in jiu-jitsu and wrestling. So
you've never been adjusted.
I've never been adjusted.
Beautiful.
So I'm in for a treat. So I'm ready. You know.
I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready as well. I'm ready. The lighting is great. The atmosphere is good. It's a beautiful
I'm
day.
harnessing some Kobe.
Yes.
I'm harnessing some LeBron.
Yeah.
And you're going to come.
I'm going to be the Iverson.
You are. You're going to be the Iverson. You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
So you said skills.
Yeah.
So with your training, so you said you've been training for 8 years.
Yep.
So what sort of, are you competing or anything like that?
Not at the moment.
Yeah.
But you know,
have you competed in the past?
I competed in the past.
Yeah.
You know, not competing season now, but I'm still at the gym at least 5 days a week, 5 nights a week.
Yeah.
You
do a bit of coaching?
I do a bit of coaching as well, every now and then, filling coaching.
Yeah.
But very physical stuff, like I said, during the day, I'm busting my ass off.
Yeah.
During the night, I'm getting my ass busted up as well, you know what I'm saying?
So it's just busting 24/7.
Damn straight, you know?
Full boat, get on board.
Oh, come on, let's do it.
So with your body as well, what sort of some of the issues that you're dealing with or things you want improvement with?
Usually, if I feel like I have issues, it's usually always neck.
Yeah.
Neck-wise.
Yeah.
Every now and then I do have a slouch as well. Because I'll even notice when I do coaching and I look back on like video footage, I'll finish the technique, get up, and I always walk with a slouch every now and then.
Once you get up,
Once I get up, I naturally walk with a slouch.
Yeah.
So that and just casual like neck pain as well, and shoulder pain.
Okay.
So it's always all upper body stuff.
Yeah.
All I'm always feeling.
Okay, cool. All right. What we'll do, I'll get you laying on your tummy for me, thanks, mate.
Yep. So my head
we'll go face down there. So head down that end.
Cool.
We'll basically just have a feel of your spine to start with. See how the joints are moving.
Yeah, they're good. I actually got this from the Philippines as well.
Beautiful.
I've had it for like 5 years. They do well.
Did you live there?
No, I was born there, but I've lived my whole life.
Yeah.
You know? Oh!
That one right there.
Yeah, I feel that one.
That's going to get sent home.
That's a pinpoint right there.
That one's right there.
Yeah, 10 for third base.
Good.
Yeah.
A little bit in there, but
Yeah,
not as bad as
there.
outside. All right. Getting quite. Yeah, this infraspase
feel that? Yeah.
right there.
That's the last little dorsi right there happening. A lot of pull-ups.
You're all about the pull-ups age, Mel?
Oh, I love the pull-ups.
You just love to get those wings going.
I'm all about, you know, the script kind of thing.
Yeah, just isometrics.
Yeah.
A little bit through there as well. Yeah, that's a bit.
That's a bit of tension right there.
Yeah, that's it. Do you get any issues with your breathing? Shortness of breath or any indigestion, stuff like that?
I get runny noses.
You get runny
noses. If that helps anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. It could either be, I don't know what that is, or maybe I'm smoking too much vape, I don't know. I'm on the E6.
Or not enough.
Yeah, I really quit smoking recently, so now I'm on the E6 now. Oh, hello.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's a spicy meatball right there.
Yeah. That's a mee goreng.
That's mee goreng, alright.
Yeah.
No worries.
You do chili before or no chili?
Do I eat chili? I love chili.
Oh, I can't do it. I'm the worst thing.
You can't do chili?
Can't do chili.
No, do Filipinos?
Filipinos love chili.
They love, I thought
but
so.
I'm the opposite. I'm like, give me an ice cream instead.
Is that why I haven't been back?
Yeah, that included.
There. Okay, so your L45 here is pretty jacked up on that right side. Through there, that'll be affecting the activation through this right side. Too bad through there.
Yeah.
But you can tell you're still quite rotated through your pelvis.
Okay.
There, so use this will just allow us to.
Oh God! Oh, look, Jesus.
You good, mate?
Yeah. That was a bit of a surprise there.
Yeah, we're about surprises.
Oh, God.
Alright, we'll get that left leg straight and raising it up.
Okay, left leg straight. Yeah.
Down.
That's about straight as good.
Yeah, that's right. And down.
Yeah.
Down and up.
Up.
And down. And up. And down. And up.
It only hurts.
Down. It hurts?
Oh God, yeah.
That's what you want.
Oh no.
Why are your ears going red, Jamil? And down.
Yeah.
And up.
Yeah.
And down.
Yeah, there we go. Oh gosh.
There you go.
Yeah.
You know Rodolfo Vera?
Yeah, he's a beast.
Yeah. This is what he feels like.
Oh really? Oh gosh.
I've had him in here before.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What a legend.
Came in a while ago, yeah.
Oh, Rodolfo.
Machine.
Yeah, look at him, he's jacked. Have you seen his traps?
Yeah.
Huge traps.
Huge traps.
Yeah, I'm all about huge traps.
Yeah. And spicy glutes.
Oh,
There we go.
oh, that's ticklish.
And that one there. I feel like this one needs to
Yeah.
get sent home.
Yeah, take it home.
Take it home?
Yeah.
Put it on.
Oh,
Jesus.
It's just
You're a bit fucking jumpy there, mate.
it's a funny bone here.
Hey?
Oof.
Oh, that's the funny one.
Yeah, it feels like one.
Didn't do too well on that.
No, that's actually not that funny. That's all actually hurts.
Okay. Yeah, even here, pretty jacked. Okay. Alright, so what we'll do,
Yeah.
I'll get you on your side and we'll face towards me this way.
Is it like this, like French portrait kind of style?
Like what?
Like French portrait kind of style?
Absolutely.
You know?
Paint me.
Yeah, paint me. Okay, we're doing that. Oof.
Come on.
Oof.
We're taking a portrait here.
Taking it back to Renaissance. Oh my gosh.
This is the French Renaissance.
Yeah, 14th century now. Taking it back to 12. Oh gosh. Oof.
Stand up and go.
Yep. Oh god! Oh, I feel alive in that one. Yeah, I look super Asian right now through that lens, don't I, right now? Do you know when you get the red Asian cheeks after they've been smoking and drinking? That's what I feel like right now, you know what I'm saying? Your mum would know.
Let's go. We'll go this time. This way. This way. Just check suit now.
Yeah, so back to Renaissance painting.
Back to Renaissance.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, it's painful. Oh. We're taking it back to BC now. Oh, where are you going?
When you went back in time, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, way back in
14th
time.
century.
Yeah, straight to BC. Oh.
Yeah. Do the same thing here.
Yep. Oh gosh! Oh, I took it back. Mr. Cartier?
Yeah.
That was like 300 like the Romans right there. Oh.
It's one of my favourites. Alright, what we'll do, we'll get you coming down so your knees about there.
Okay, so over here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the facing that way? Yeah.
Yeah, feel that stiffness?
Big time.
Yeah. I can hear my neck crack already.
You can hear it a bit louder.
Yeah, really? Yeah, I'm keen.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, so what we do, lay on your back.
Yeah.
Face up. Coming down a bit. See. Okay, that's still on. Bit more. That's it. Alright. So what we'll do.
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hello. What's
This has been waiting for you.
Yep.
This is just been waiting for you, mate. So this is called a Y strap.
Yep.
Okay, so basically what we'll do with this, bang, there we go. I'll put it around the base of your skull.
Yeah.
Just like this, and down, head down.
Yep.
Yep. Cool. Like that, and chin up, extend up. Beautiful. So what I'll do, it's like a adjustment that'll help. Sorry, mate.
Got a hard hand. It's like shade this morning.
Fuck. Sounded pretty hollow. Okay, all the way through there. Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. All the way there. Yep.
Feel like a horse right now.
That's it.
Take the ascot. It's just around the corner, isn't it?
I might have to put you down. Okay, so we'll just do this.
Yeah.
Boom. Okay?
Am I meant to stay here?
Just relax.
Okay.
Nice and relaxed. Nice and relaxed.
Oh, God. Oh, gosh. I felt like, you know, when you put the teeth at the door, instead the tooth was my head. I don't want to be slammed shut. That's what I felt like just then. Oh. I'll go back down to neutral.
Back to neutral. So, any discomfort with that, or that was okay?
It feels good. Yeah.
Good, yeah. It's full on when it happens, but it's normally there's no real pain.
Yeah.
As long as you rule out anything that's gonna contraindicate it. So this, just let that one, just relax it.
Oh God! Oh gosh! That was the last crack I ever heard. You gonna do it again?
Maybe.
Oh gosh, it's all about surprises. Oh gosh!
There we go.
Thank God I'm not a female with you.
Yeah.
Hey.
All right.
There we go. Yeah.
Okay. Right. We'll do your upper back adjustment, right?
Oh, nice.
So coming down.
Yep.
Coming down. Coming down.
Doing this one.
This one's the one.
Yep.
Breathe in. Actually, so.
Yep.
Breathe in. And out.
Oh! Oh, that was a loud crack. I'll tell you what, I was a skeptic at first, but this actually does.
Now you're a believer.
Legit.
Now you're a believer. We'll take you to Ascot.
Oh yeah.
Put you down.
Oh, really? Oh gosh.
And out.
I think I've got to breathe in a bit. I'm still busy thinking about the last one you did.
You're ready for that top game pressure.
Yeah. Ooh, hello.
So you've been doing jits 8 years?
8 years, yeah.
Yeah, the same place?
I was probably at a judo place. No, I'm Adam.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Oh, Balacata.
Yeah.
Walk Central. I can say that I'm half Italian.
You can.
I can.
You can. I can't, but you can.
I can. You should see my brother. He's got white skin, curly hair.
Joking me.
Yeah, crazy. Oh. Oof.
Try open that. Arms like this.
Like that?
Yep.
Right.
Like that.
Oof.
Okay, this one's going to be...
I like this pose.
It's a bit, yeah.
Oh, God!
This is just covered.
Ah, yeah. Straight for stereos.
Do you want me to get the... I'll get the component of that.
Yeah. God.
I'll get the reef.
Oh, I'm actually by my teeth here. Oh.
That's alright. Just let it happen. Let it happen.
That's what they said to the Nazis. Oh, God. Oh, gosh.
Yes.
Sleep is. Oh. God. God.
Often people can see visuals when I'm doing this to them.
Yeah, it is DMT. And I've tried DMT, so I know.
Sitting up first, mate.
Oh, God.
Sitting up, you good?
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a funny bone right there.
That's it.
Ooh.
Alright, so whenever you're ready, we'll face this way.
Okay.
Yeah. Just that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oof. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Just that one. Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, God.
Just Kimura.
Yeah.
Alright, we're halfway there.
Oof.
Yeah. Right, man, that's...
Oh.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Jesus.
You gotta make it left-handed now.
There we go. It's good to be ambidextrous.
Gosh. Oh.
Alright, come on.
It's nuts.
Alright.
Okay.
Posture, try to get a little bit up there.
Yeah.
You're very sort of hunched through your
told you.
spine here.
Big hunch.
And like your head's going way too far forward.
Yeah.
So what you want with your posture, generally you want that part there
Yep.
to come back.
Yeah.
So you get your shoulders back to neutral.
Mm-hmm.
Try and extend rotate like that.
Yeah.
Boom, back to neutral.
Yep.
And your head position up and chin in. So basically you want this hole near here
Yeah.
you want it over your AC joint.
Right.
Not going too far forward. Cool. So this is that's like a little postural reset you can do.
Oh.
When you're doing stuff with posture, that's just how you hold yourself. That's part of it. But obviously there's stuff like obviously specific areas you can adjust it will help. But even like strengthening and exercises to imbalance or deficiencies elsewhere. To left.
Yep.
Better. To right.
Yeah.
Feel better?
Oh, it feels much better.
Check your blind spot.
Yeah, I know. Oh, never had a crash though.
Hey?
Never had a crash. Or an accident. Never.
Had a crash.
Never.
Don't jinx yourself.
Oh, no. I don't want to be another statistic. Asian statistic.
What did you say?
No, Asian statistic. No, it's like Bondi Rescue but for cars.
To the left. To the right. Shit, that's not like Beyonce. Right. Awesome, man. Very good.
Lovely.
How's that feel?
I feel great.
Yeah.
So I just work it up.
What was different to what you would have expected?
Well, I wasn't quite sure what to expect. I thought you might just do a bit of this, a bit of that, but I didn't believe that I would actually feel the difference and actually feel like everything open up.
Yeah.
Like, I did this now, feel great, my breathing feels great.
Yeah.
No, like I actually feel like I can go head to the gym right now. It's like, just go right now.
Yeah, often you can. It's very, because we're dealing more like with the joints and nervous system.
Yeah.
So often you can still train after, you don't have to.
Yeah.
But and some people get like great relief straight away. Other people might take a day or so to just fit in. But yeah. But once you get it, you find that your body for jiu-jitsu will be much more resilient as well.
Yeah.
Right, beautiful. Here we go.